Okay, we are going to do a posterior glide at 0 degrees, as well as a jerk test, and then moving into a posterior glide test at 90 degrees. So first, I'm going to have my patient supine, have her screwed to the edge of the table so that her shoulder's hanging off the edge, and I'm going to stand, and I'm going to forward flex her shoulder to 90 degrees, and then flex her elbow to 90 degrees as well, and let her relax into an internally rotated position here at her side. Then I'm going to take my other hand and place it on the posterior side for the humeral head, taking my other hand and applying an axial load posteriorly on her shoulder. I'm looking for pain, apprehension, possible clicking, and instability, which might be a sign for posterior instability of the shoulder. While we're here in the same position, I'm going to move into the jerk test. Same hand positioning, but this time when I add my axial load posteriorly, I'm going to bring her into adduction. I may potentially feel a jerk sensation for a positive test as the humeral head subluxes over the posterior labrum and the back of the glenoid fossa, and potentially as the head relocates itself back into the glenoid fossa, I'll feel another jerk. This may be a positive test for recurrent posterior instability. Now while we're here, we're going to move back into a posterior glide at 90 degrees. I'm going to support her arm here and let her forearm relax into my forearm, taking my hand, palpating the posterior humeral head with my fingers behind, and then applying a posterior glide to the humeral head from the anterior side of the shoulder. Here I'm looking for pain and apprehension and instability. Again, possibility for this is a posterior instability of the shoulder if I have any of those positive signs.